Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX natural gas market today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened here 194.4. We thought we can go for buying in natural gas market if the price is coming near 193. We thought we can go for buying by placing stop loss near 191. So the price came near 193 and you could see the price exactly came near 191 and closed near 192.2. So we could assume that the stop loss got triggered, and today it's expected to open somewhere near 192. Two ways you can trade. If the price is coming down below 191, you can go for selling by placing stop loss near 195.5. If the price is moving above 193 or 193.5, you can go for buying by placing stop loss near 191. You can trade either ways in today's market. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. And thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.